Hi, this is Dan Weedin. I'm a nationally recognized insurance expert, and today we're going to talk about house insurance tips. Anybody who has a homeowner's policy needs to be aware of what it's protecting, because if you're not, you could end up paying out of pocket yourself, and that's not what you want to do. Some of the main characteristics and key components of house insurance are these. Number one is the coverage on your dwelling, the replacement value of your home. You always want to make sure that that is correct, and a big thing to remember there is that you're not insuring for the market value of your home, because that includes the land. You don't want to insure for that part. You only want to insure for the replacement value of your home. In addition, you're going to insure all of the contents that you have within your home and your liability. Now, some key areas to consider depending on where you live is, are you going to cover earthquake insurance? That's not normally covered on there. Depending on where you live, that might be an issue. Many people live in high wind areas. That is always going to be covered. You want to make sure that something dealing with water damage is covered as well, and that normally is. House insurance is usually set up as a package policy and is very generic. So make sure when you're dealing with your agent that you talk to them about any special things that you want to worry about. In particular, one of the areas that I've seen is things that should be scheduled. Items like jewelry, items like collectibles, or sports guns and antiques. Those things are not generally covered to value in a homeowner's policy because it's set up to be, again, as I said, set up to be generic. So when you're going through your home, make sure that the most important things for you are being protected. You need to have a conversation with your insurance agent on that. If you have any other issues that you're concerned about, maybe like the hot water heater and water damage or anything like that, make sure that there's no gaps in coverage by having that conversation. House insurance is set up to cover just about anybody who's owning a house, but because all of us are different, we all have different needs. Make sure that you go through your own checklist and talk with your agent about what coverages you most need. This has been Dan Weedin on House Insurance Tips. Thanks for watching.